Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by focusing on what is provable. Study general relativity, quantum field theory, and proposed mechanisms like wormholes or closed time-like curves. Once done, assemble a multidisciplinary team and define measurable milestones so progress is scientific rather than speculative. Make sure to run literature reviews and formalize hypotheses you can test in simulation. Do not attempt hardware yet. First, secure peer review, funding, and institutional oversight so the project proceeds within accepted scientific and ethical boundaries. Next, you pivot to detailed modeling and computational experiments. Implement numerical relativity codes, cross-validate results, and quantify energy condition violations and stability. Once validated, layer quantum field simulations to examine particle behavior and decoherence near proposed geometries, and run parameter sweeps to identify regimes that remain consistent with known physics. Make sure to document assumptions, error bars, and where extrapolations occur, so you can separate robust predictions from speculative extensions that would require new physics. Finally, you move to validation and oversight. Publish your simulations and engage independent groups to reproduce or falsify findings, and pursue ethical review before any experimental concept. Once done, define clear safety protocols and a communication plan for the public and regulators. If results contradict expectations, troubleshoot by revisiting core assumptions, increasing numerical resolution, or including missing interactions. Make sure to document every change. Remember, unless reproducible, scalable, and ethically cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.